Alright, so thank you so much guys for visiting the channel once again. It's been a long time since I've done my last video. So I want to show you the reason why I placed the trades today. The gold trade that hit 110 pips. I want to analyze with you guys and teach you so that you can do the same each and every day. So lately I've been very busy. I'm not able to send free forex signals. But if you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'll be now sending free forex signals almost on a daily basis if there's a setup that I like. So I want to show you guys quickly how I did this in less than 5 minutes. So first of all, there's a trading system that I developed. I personally developed this system so that I can actually trade. So I put my years of experience and years of trading into how to develop this trading system. So it's very standard and it's just easy to use. So right now on the screen I'm having 3 systems. This is the famous Forex Teachaz trading system, the one that I used to use back in the day. It's still powerful enough. You can see all these moves that are there. So right here, if you check on this chart, you can see there are some powerful moves that are there, but I just want to talk about the signal that we had just now. I want to show you. Let me try to bring some lines so that we can some tools, line studies. All right, so with these line studies I'm able to show you exactly when we enter the trade, right? If you check here, when I highlight like this, you can see exactly the time when the price at the time of the end of that trade. If you also go to my Telegram channel, you can compare this. You can see the signal was sent on this right here, right? We said you should sell. I don't know if this is the correct one. Let's just see. So you can see here I say 3646.51 you should sell. This is gold USD. So if you come here, let's see if it's the same. You can see it's 3646.51, which means this was our entry and our take profit was hit. You can see this small line here. So when I highlight, if you're using MetaTrader 4, it will show you the trade that was opened, the price and everything. The take profit was hit. So you can see it was hit at the 46.51. No, the take profit was hit at 36.35.68, which you see in front right there. If you go here, 36.35.68, right? I was now thinking maybe I send an invalid signal in the group, but you can see it was hit. The take profit, this is the take profit. The stop loss is there. You can also see it if I go and highlight. I think the stop loss was somewhere around, I can't see the line, but I want to quickly show you guys. You can see it just dropped from here. It never went up, drop. It even went down almost 200 pips. So I want to show you guys the reason why I entered this trade right here on this line here, right? So number one, my trading system, this one gives me a notification that it's a sell. So it actually gave a sell signal right here on this huge pin, this bar here. And you can see the moment it turned this color, because you can set it to turn red for sell or to turn whatever color that you need. The moment it turned to pink, this was showing that it's now a sell trend. So if you go down here, you're going to see my other system. The red is crossed above the blue to confirm what this one is saying. And at the same time, this one is just turned red, right? So you can see this had just turned red, which means we are only looking for what? For sell signal. That's why I placed this trade. It even went down all the way to 190 some or almost 200 pips, right? So you can also see, I want to give you another example of a winning trade. There was this one right here for yesterday. You can see the system turned blue right here, and if you check here, you can see it's green. This one, you can see also the blue is above the what? The red, which means you're only looking for what? For buy signal. So from here to almost the, because you can see all the way here it was green, it only turned right around here, which is almost here, right? So it means we are going to get all this pips, depend on if you leave the take profit open. You can see this was 400 pips. It moved 400 pips gold yesterday. And then let's look at the example of losing trades and also invalid trades, right? So first of all, there was a ping right here which shows that we are only looking for sell signals, right? So if you go down, you're going to see here red is above blue, and the moment it turns also here, we are looking for a sell trade. But for those who have been following me for quite some time, you know that I don't like trading around 9 p.m. because I'll be already wanting to sleep. But if I were to take this trade, let's say I'm monitoring this trade, depend on your time zone, you can see from here it was just going sideways, and then right around here, if you check down there, you can see the blue crossed above the red, which means you're going to exit at break even, right? So you wait for another signal, which is this one right here. This is still around the Tokyo session, so Asian session. So I was not going to be trading here, but just in case you are there, you can see it turns blue, and then you also see blue above red. You also see green right here from, so you can take this trade. You can see it went up all the way up until it turned right here. All right, it turned right here, which means from here to here, that was almost 170 pips. So this was another winning trade. So I want to show you a losing trade because there's no system that is 100% correct. So from here, you can see it turned pink on this candle right here. Also the red above blue, and also that red for confirmation of trade. Maybe we're going to get this 50 pips, or maybe you're going to hit the stop loss. But sometimes you find out the TP was not hit, but you're already in a trade and then it turned. So you can see right here, right around here, it turned back, which was here. Maybe this was another break even. So if you go on, you can see there was another trade right here. The lines align just right on this one here. This was going to be a losing trade. So you can see it align right on top here. So it went back down. It was going to probably hit the stop loss before it even changed the direction here. So if you go on this signal right here, this is not a signal because if you check here, it's showing pink, which means it's a sell, but right here it's showing blue is above red, which is a buy. So there's no signal there. If you go to this one again, the same thing happens, but you're going to manage to place the trade right here. You're probably going to get maybe 130, 140 pips right here before it turns back. Right, so this was another winning trade. So you can see how accurate is this trading style. This trading strategy is very, very powerful. So if I wanted to right now, if I were to take a trade right now, I don't look at what is happening there, all these bars going up or all that. What I do, I look at my system. It's still showing me this pink, so I wait for the close of this this candle. It's still showing me red right here, red above blue, which means it's a sell, and also here is still red. But remember, we entered this trade somewhere around here. We almost had 200 pips right there. But if I were to enter a trade right now, I'll be selling because the setup is still telling me that it's what? It's selling. But I wouldn't recommend you to start selling, especially when you see these bars start closing above the pink box. Most of the time it means it wants to go the other direction. So for you to know, as you can see, it's now a buy signal now. All right, so you can quickly close this trade. All right, because now it's a blue right here, which shows that it's a buy signal, but I can't buy right now because here it's still showing me sell, here it's still showing me sell. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like to get this trading system, make sure to like this video before you contact me, and comment in the comment section so that I know that you like the video, and then you contact me. I'll put my email address and also the Telegram live chat so that you guys can reach out to me whenever you want help with trading. So there are so many tools that I have and trading strategies that I have, but most of you guys, you probably maybe don't have access to those things. But if you want, like this video, comment, and then you contact me. I'll tell you how to get the trading system. So I do giveaways where I give the trading systems for free, but sometimes, like these systems are premium products. They're actually for sale, but I do giveaways on each and every video. I choose someone randomly. So if you like this video, comment and then you contact me. You might be the one to win this trading system for free. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Make sure to stay profitable. So I'll be making content starting today. I have to come back to making content for you guys and teach you how to trade so that you can make some quick bucks. All right, thank you so much, guys.